Hey y'all, so I'm about to hit THRIFTCon and I wanted to do a little vlog. I just finished getting ready and it's raining outside, so we're gonna see the vibes, but the tickets are bought, baby, so I must go. Change of plans. We are no longer going to THRIFTCon. The weather, not in the mood anymore. We're late. So I'm just going to vlog the day and show y'all what we're doing for the day. So right now we're in the store. Well, right now we are at the store. We're gonna go hibachi and maybe a thrift store. I don't know. I just want to do something kind of. Just want to do something today. Oh yeah. Show the bangles. Show the shirt. Keep the shirt.
Show the little cigarettes. Turn
the cigarette clips. Period. Okay, y'all. So now I am headed towards Thrift City, USA. This is one of my favorite thrift stores. Ba-da-bum-bum. Yeah, I love it here. They have a great selection. It's very quiet, good prices, and they always have a lot of things. So look how cute. Basket. Look how cute. This is real old school. I know. Yeah. As you can see, there's a selection from bears to art to dishes and purses. It's weirding me out. It has little toes. Little mirror. This would be perfect. Ooh, I like these. This one. I also like to hang these. Okay, I wanted to show y'all a few cute things that caught my eye, but I didn't want to get them because I just didn't want to, but they were cute, and so I was like, let me show you two. The iconic. You hear that? I don't know, it just seemed like the place for this to be. I love some furs. Oh yeah, look at that. I don't know what that is. Mold. There's this one. Wow. Okay, y'all. I was all over this store. I ended up getting some dishes because I really needed some. And I love 80s dishes. But y'all, look. Is this carp material? Yeah, man. That's a steel toe.
It's kind of interesting too. They're kind of like.
Yo, I really love weird decor. It's supposed to be little. Look at this little seashell. It's supposed to be like fishes swimming. Holy enough to pray for you, hood enough to swing on you. Gobble me, swallow me, drip me down the side. Y'all, they always do deals on top of their deals. And they have a lot of sale dates and cool stuff, so y'all should check them out. My favorite hibachi spot in New Orleans, Miyako. Yeah, I love this place. They make it right every time, flavor on point, and I love it here. One time I went like literally 4 times in 1 week. I had to be stopped. I made it back home. I got my bags from the thrift store. I'm going to do a little shopping haul. This is another one of the bags. This is the range of things I thrifted, and I'll give y'all a little tour. I got 2 pairs of shorts. These are high-waisted, and then these are low-waisted, honey. And then I got this beautiful jacket. Like, huh? Look at the print in the inside. Beautiful. And I love this part. Okay. Then I found this little t-shirt because I love big tees. And we got the old school hat, honey. Yes, I got this to put in my new van. It's a beautiful scarf. And I got this to put on my dashboard in my van. It's like a little knitted, beautiful color. I love this color, these colors. And then I found these little moccasins. I think that's what they're called. And then some dishes. I love dishes that look basically like these, like between the colors and like the 80s vibe. And y'all, we're about to go pick up the van finally, so I'm gonna show y'all a little decorating process for the van. I got a few things that I want to put in it that I put to the side, and I'm ready. We're about to go pick them up. Also, these are some shirts from the thrift. I did wash. This is the big Hummer. The back end, front end. Damn, this thing is kind of big, but it's... Y'all, this is just some clips I took of me setting up. Is this a 2-layer thing, or like, how we gonna do it? And bada boom, bada bang, baby. Look at it. This is my little hipster van. Yes. I love it. You want to see my new van? Oh my gosh. What is going on? Hold on. Let me put this up. Oh my gosh. Do you like it? Look, come see. Look, go in. Look back here. Look back here. Okay, cool features is this touchscreen. They have the map. There's a little camera. I love that the shift is at the top. And I had to get help, y'all. He's trying to teach me how to back in. This is my friend. I left after that, after parking. Went get some Subway with a friend. And that was my dinner for the night. It was getting kind of late, so I got me a little turkey and white bread with some little barbecue chips. I get the same thing every time, with a little Gatorade or Powerade. And I just went home and made some little resin jewelry. I enjoy doing this. It's my little piece and way to create. And I just made a bunch of little gifts for my friends, not gonna lie. And once it got dark, baby, it was time to go to sleep. I put my red light on and I knocked out.